Hello everyone, welcome back to Neil Explains. I have come with this 17 number question. 14 minus 7 parenthesis 14 minus 7. This find very simple to many, but many are solving in a wrong way. So if you found this simple and found your answer, then comment and I will give you a shout out here. And those who don't find the right answer, I will solve for them. So we will using lambdas here to solve this. Okay, now what we have here, 14 minus 7. If you are solving like 7, 14 minus 7, that is 7, and then 14 minus 7 which equals to 7, and 7 times 7 which equals to 49. Do you think this is the right answer? Actually, by order of question, or you can say by following the rules, this is not the right answer. So I will show you how to solve this. We will rewrite our question here. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, first preference will be given to parentheses. So first we will solve this parenthesis part. So 14 minus 7 which equals to 7. So we can simply write 7 on the place of this parenthesis. So we will rewrite here 14 minus 7 times 7. Now here we can see there are two operations. First one is subtraction and second is multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, next preference will be given to multiplication other than subtraction. So we will operate next this multiplication. 7 times 7 which equals to 49. So we can write here 14 minus 49. Okay, so to get final answer we have to subtract, or you can say add this 14. 9, that is 5, and this is 35, or you can say minus 35. So here right answer is minus 35. And if you're seniors, then must check out this Amazon products for you. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.